It is not a surprise in Canada, but in England, wow. As snow dusted the country on Sunday and Monday, flights were cancelled from London to Glasgow, with some London airports, including Gatwick and Stansted, briefly closing their runways on Sunday night to clear snow. The delays continued into Monday as airlines worked through backlogs of cancelled flights amid freezing weather. Unfortunately, the awful tragedy has overshadowed Christmas. Britain becomes a village when such things happen, and we all feel sorry to the families of these poor little boys.